guys, hope you're having a great day. Weather could be better here. It's Motogp practice day today, and as you can see, I'm not on a bike. Not because I'm scared of rain, it's just yesterday I went for a ride, and on the way back I noticed a couple of drips coming from the fork, and oh god. So it looks like I've done a fork seal on the bike, so that's alright. I'm quite happy being in the four-wheel drive today. Nice and comfortable, dry. I thought I'm not missing out. Oh, what have I done to miss cruise control? Yeah, bastard. I'm not missing out today. I'll drive down if I have to. I'll walk, I'll ride a bicycle. I don't care, I'm going down. So we're heading down now. Well, I'm heading down now. Everyone else is working. Poor bastards. So I'll flip the camera around in a moment when we get there, and you can see this disgusting rain. I'm sure you can see it out the back, but it is what it is. Still Motogp weekend, so very good. I've got my coffee, McDonald's coffee. Very nice, very nice. This is the way to travel. But I do miss the bike. I mean, it's Motogp weekend, I want to take the bike, so it doesn't matter. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big GP run. And there's usually, we meet in Cranbourne, which isn't far from home. And each year there's about 10,000 bikes there, so yeah, looking forward to that. Oh no, face reveal. Stop! Well, here we are, the rain has stopped. Yes, God, look, there's hardly any bikes there either. There's usually heaps, but it is Friday. Come on, fella. Oh, I can hear the GP bikes.
onto the straight here, just to get that nice toad, just to get it on the line.
And that's all comes back to racecraft, doesn't it? And I remember a couple of years ago when Billy Van Oort, who's been doing the KTM Red Bull Rookie Cup this year, won the 80 Cup last.
Bad place for a Grand Prix track. Sorry for any wind noise, it is blowing a gale. Oh, I just got it rain down the neck. Good fun, good fun. It's only practice day, but it was good. I'm buggered. I walked around the track twice the whole way, and my feet are killing me. Absolutely buggered. No way, Pride. No, let me out.